In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix transaction errors in your Phantom wallet. First, let's get started by opening your Phantom wallet. Once you've done that, make sure you're logged into your account. This is crucial because you'll need access to your dashboard to verify account details and initiate any transactions. After logging in, you should find yourself on the home page. Here, you'll be able to see a snapshot of your account, including your balance, your tokens, and a variety of features available to you. These features include options like receiving, sending, swapping, and buying. Having a clear view of these options is important, especially when you're fixing transaction errors, because it helps you understand where the problem might be arising from. One of the most common reasons for encountering a transaction error on Phantom Wallet is having insufficient funds in your Solana wallet. Solana is the native currency used to pay for transactions on the blockchain, so it's vital to ensure your wallet has enough Solana to cover these fees. If you're seeing a transaction error, the first thing you should do is check your Solana balance. Next, let's focus on adjusting the slippage tolerance, which is often a cause for transaction issues. Go ahead and click on the swap option. Once you've done this, you'll need to adjust the slippage tolerance to 1%. Slippage tolerance is a setting that lets you define the limit of price changes you're willing to accept during the transaction. Keeping it at 1% is generally recommended to ensure smoother transactions with minimal price changes. To adjust your slippage tolerance, locate the settings icon, which is usually represented by a small gear or similar symbol within the swap interface. Click on it, select 1%, and make sure to confirm the change before proceeding. This small adjustment can often clear up transaction errors by allowing for small fluctuations in price without disrupting the process. Once you've adjusted your slippage, choose the coins you want to swap and specify the amount. Double-check these details to make sure everything is entered correctly, as simple mistakes can sometimes lead to transaction errors. When you're satisfied with your selections, go ahead and initiate the swap. And there you have it. By ensuring you have enough funds, adjusting your slippage tolerance, and carefully selecting your swap details, you can easily fix transaction errors in your Phantom wallet. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps make your transactions go smoothly.